I haven't had this much ice in a long time.
Ice storm. Ice muffin.
Ouch.
Ow. To either like play or train.
Yeah.
But yeah, I know people who they just like my friends who were in res ed, they just opened the exit door. They just went in there to get past the guards.
How do you feel?
You just.
We can't go to breakfast because,
There's a sheet of ice on the driveway? Yeah.
and we can't have breakfast because
No fucking eggs. You make pancakes? No. You make eggs? No.
No.
You make waffles? No. You make French toast?
You have frozen milk?
let go my ego. I'm like, real?
Can I make a little batter that doesn't have eggs in it?
If you can find one.
Yeah,
No, I'm gonna eat my Cheerios before they go soggy.
I thought you were making those for me. Rude.
You want?
Can I keep that dollar coin?
Do you want these Cheerios? No, I'm eating them because I need to eat them because I'm having a moment. It's an ice storm out this morning, so
You find a $2 coin and give it to the lunch lady.
it's like raining ice. Everything is covered in a sheet of ice, and we've made a decision that it's a little bit dangerous. We were all going to go to the diner for a nice big breakfast, and then Sarah was going to go off to school. But the Toyota drives like crap in the snow, so they'd probably be fine in the other car, but I'd probably hit a tree, and then that wouldn't be very effective for the rest of our lives.
I wouldn't really.
No.
No.
Can I have some cereal?
I'm gonna be really depressed doing Christmas takedown after you leave for college.
It's really stupid. We should have had like a Christmas takedown party.
I'm gonna be like sobbing and crying and depressed.
Help her, please.
He's laughing at me.
Don't feel like, oh, I'm Thomas.
Conceal, don't feel.
I'm still here. Mom doesn't care about me. She's crying about Sarah. I don't matter. Because the second you go off to college, it's gonna be the same thing.
It's gonna be worse.
Conceal, don't feel, but let them know.
Put on a show. Make one wrong.
'Cause then you'll both be gone.
You'll know. No, I'll be living at home. I'll be back.
She'll be back, she says.
Rocking the New York.
Not when he goes to college, though. If I'm here 2 years
This
after
is the
graduation, I'll probably jump off a bridge.
Second semester move back. One suitcase stuffed.
You mean when
Two
I
stu-
graduate high school?
Well, you gotta think of it this way, Sarah. You're going away for, 4 months, so.
I'm never coming back.
Yeah, coming back in 2 weeks, right?
2 weeks? No, I'm gonna be busy.
You gonna be busy?
What?
I'm so sad.
Trying to
I'm so sad, Thomas. Are you sad?
I'm playing in the cartilage that's on the top of my knee.
Ew, Thomas.
It's raining ice outside. And Sarah's still here. And everybody's tummies are all hungry. 'Cause chickens lay eggs, not roosters. But we don't have either. So it doesn't matter. Chickens lay eggs. We don't have any chickens or eggs. Or sandwiches. We don't like the ice. Sarah wants to go back to school. Move in with her new roommate. What if she takes your bed while you're gone? Not a problem. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Henry, who's there? Oh, get him. Kill him, Henry. Get him. Get him, Henry. Who's there? Don't drop the bone, Henry. Look at him. He's got a bone hanging out of his mouth. Don't lose it.
Yes.
Hi. Going
It's
up.
really icy. I mean, it's not even just like a little film of ice. It's like a lot of ice. I mean, it's raining now, but I don't know if it's warm enough to.
The Sanders went down the road.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know if I can get us up the driveway.
Do we have sand?
We do, but you know, it's a lot of ice.
I'm gonna call Papa and tell him to come bring his truck over and take us.
No, Papa's not going on anywhere. Let me start up the car for 15 minutes. Probably we'll just go out in the Wagyu and then we'll load up later. And then we'll come back. I'll bring you guys back and then I'll park at the top of the driveway maybe. And then you guys can just help carry everything and load up the car. And then,
Thomas isn't going to New York?
I don't know. Is he going?
I don't know if he wants to.
I don't know. Don't make him go. Let him stay and watch the 2 football games. This late, I'm not going to be home. Leave at 12, 1 o'clock.
I love your concern about things.
No, you don't.
You're such a good man.
4, then 7.
You're so responsible.
And then when I leave, what we'll do is we'll have Ian move his car to the...
Our car has a name. Oh, those are my eyeballs. Hold on. That's my tired face.
It's got a remote starter.
It's a Wagyu.
Oh, yeah, you can.
You.
That's
Oh.
stupid of you.
Okay, so
So don't put that on the internet.
announcement number 1. A Wagyu is the nickname for our car. It means car in Hawaiian.
In Hawaii.
It does. It has a remote starter. So we're a spoiled family. But it came with it.
It's great when I'm at work and in my office and I know I'm getting ready to leave. I turn it on 15 minutes before I go.
Is it nice and...
15 minutes?
Yeah, no, 10 minutes.
When I get in my car, I'm really cold and I shake.
Toasty roasty.
My hands are cold and I have to wait. And when I get in the car, the little console piece in the middle continually falls off like a flap. And I push it back
I've seen
in
better days.
and it falls off. And I push it back in
You should just go out and buy you another car.
and it falls off.
What kind of car do you want?
I don't know.
Me first.
No.
You
Me.
nothing. Take the train. You have public transportation. If you're gonna live in the city after college, what do you need a car for? You're gonna have nowhere to park it anyway.
I want a car.
No, you can't have a car now. Take the train.
I have a car I can take back to campus, so you wouldn't have to do this.
That's okay. I'd rather drive you in this weather than have you drive by yourself in this weather.
And I would have gone back days ago.
I want a white car.
You want a white car?
Why?
I love white cars.
Ew, why?
Just white. It can be anything as long as it's white and it has good stuff in it.
Ew,
Another
why?
a new Corolla? A white Corolla?
I don't know if I want to cram my body into another little Corolla again.
Ew, why?
A Wagyu?
Uh,
A white CRV? A new one for you?
Yeah.
A white CRV?
I don't have to have a sunroof. I don't even use it.
I do. I like the sunroof. I don't think I'm ever going to buy another car that doesn't have a sunroof.
I just want a white car
Serious.
with leather interior.
I hate
Leather.
you guys. I'm serious.
Serious.
With letter interior, I'm serious.
Serious. No joke.
And a doggy seatbelt.
Doggy seatbelt?
And lots of room for dogs.
I like that you lay next to your mom.
For
I
my-
like that you lay down next to your
when
mom.
we get the new
Stay
Catan
there.
puppy.
We're not getting another dog.
We're on a waiting list.
No, we're not on a waiting list. Get off the freaking waiting list.
Are we really on a waiting list?
Yes.
Julie, I don't want another dog.
Oh, you do it. You just don't know it because you haven't met it yet.
Stop it.
You said that before we conceived Thomas. Julie, I don't want
Yeah,
another baby.
Look what I'm fucking stuck with now.
John, I'm pregnant. Maybe we should have another baby.
I'm puking.
Why? Why does our love make you...
It's going to be warmer in New York City than it is here, so.
Hey, John?
What? Why are you going to give me that look, Sarah? I saw that.
What look?
I saw that. So you're busted. You're
How many times has he said it's freezing rain? It's icy out there, John. How bad is the ice?
It's freezing rain, Julie. It's not just rain. It's rain and the ground is so cold that it hits the ground on contact. It freezes.
Oh, really?
Ice.
And then what happens?
People slip and slide. There's a lot of accidents on the highway.
I need to get out of here.
And why don't you want to go to the diner?
Because it's icy out. I can't get up the driveway.
But the Xander came down the road.
But the Xander already came down the road.
But I'm worried about getting up the driveway.
Theo's on the table. Theo, get off the table!
He's gonna sit on the table.
What are you doing? Better not have poop on your behind. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you. Over there. You. Think you're too good for everybody else. Just because you're handsome.
Excuse me, don't talk to my boy like
Look
that.
at him. Look at him. I'm going to just sit right here on the table. Sniff everything and get my hair all over it. Let me just put my ass right on this iPad. There we go. That feels good. That's kind of cool. Feels good.
On the iPad.
He is. His butt is on the iPad.
No, it's not. The iPad's right there.
No, he's sitting on it.
No, he's not. The iPad.
Henry, what do you think? Want to go back to bed? Henry, do you have to go potty? Potty? Yeah, well, hold it in because I'm not going outside.
That's rude.
Let me introduce you to the toilet. This dog needs a bath. He smells. The great ice storm of January. Oh, fuck. Excuse my French. Hold on.
Let's see if we can get the driveway here.
Wow, this is very ice-like.
Such ice, very wow.
Oh no, sliding. I'm sliding. It was very slippery. I felt like I was going to fall down.
Oh no, there's.
Oh, I'm so cold.
Oh, it's so cold. The tree's gonna freeze up and it's gonna fall down.
It could, you know.
There's so many trees.
That's not funny. It could, you know.
No.
It's only 32 degrees. This is a lot of ice. We have ice.
Ice storm. Ice muffin.
Ouch.
Track team is on campus. All of the winter and spring sports are back to either like play or train.
Yeah.
Or yeah, I know people who just like the red high friends who were in
That's more than a half a grapefruit. I'll just have you know.
It looks like they just cut the top off.
You don't like cutting it. You used to make me do that for you.
Want Mama to
Can
do
you
it?
cut it for me?
Dad, you cut my pancakes.
It's just a lot of work to keep him from getting cranky. Like it's, I think we're doing a pretty good job. We gotta keep
My unrelated exhale in the car got him pretty mad.
You know what? Give him a B complex vitamin. It's,
Can everybody do the warm dance with me? Yeah, rub the hands together. Pray into the warm gods for 34 degree weather.
finish the joke. If a tree falls in the wood, what?
Do you hear it? Does the tree?
How do you happy doesn't make any sense.
How do you happy? Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel.
A warm dance. Warm dance.
What about the tree?
If it falls, does it fall?
Are you on drugs?
Ask the squirrels that saw.
We'll come back here.
Going out the other way. No door open.
Walking around the diner.
I miss having little kids.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
You'll have some soon.
It's always the best.
I loved having little kids. Didn't you?
You were in a car. Oh, the mom just laid down the law. She did the.
Hey guys,
she did the clinch
Food time.
teeth.
Food time. Put it down. Put it. Oh, nope. Leave it.
Leave it. Wait, maybe possibly have to. Yes, maybe no. Yeah, they put the phone down just in case.
Leave it.
Can you put the camera down, please, Mother?
Food's here.
Mother.
Leave it. Leave it. Thank you.
Videotape your nose.
Oh, great. Thanks.
Oh,
Yeah.
food. Never
We
seen that before.
we both got omelets. You got the same thing as me.
No, I didn't. I got a different type of toast.
I got lunch because I'm cool. I'm gonna rest because I'm the best.
I wanted breakfast all morning.
I want you to hold Marvin the cat.
It's usually what happens, you know. In the morning, you want breakfast. Oh, sorry. So,
This is seriously suckage weather here. Very, very slippery still. I do not want to fall down. But it feels like it's raining heavier. We just had a lovely breakfast. So happy. I'm gonna go home and take a nap. I don't know. Look at the puddles. Oh my God. There's my family in the car. Don't leave me. Oh, they watch. He's gonna drive away. He is. He's gonna drive away right as I try to get into the car. He will drive. Oh, he didn't do it. He didn't drive away while I tried to get into the car.
Hurry up.
I'm trying. I just don't want to fall down.
Put down the camera.
Well, it's good.
Buckle up. Be safe. Buckle up. Let's go.
Buckle up. Be safe.
Diner's empty
It
now.
feels a little warmer out.
It's now 36 degrees.
46?
36.
Woo! Yeah, making progress.
That's really beautiful right there.
Just depressing.
It's so depressing. It's so depressing. It just makes you want to poke yourself with needles
It's so funny.
while laying in a bucket of hot tar.
Put your seatbelt on.
Gotta get my miles in.
Let it go.
How do you even do that?
Put your tooth on, put your tongue on the back of your teeth.
I can't do it. Can you do it?
Am I doing it?
I don't know. No.
So,
Can you curl your tongue? No, you can't. Can you, Sarah?
Yeah, I can.
Let me see.
do it.
You can.
Daniel can.
Daniel can. You can?
Wow.
No, you can't.
Ah!
I can't either. I can't either.
It's genetic.
Yeah, so you're-
Yeah, but you guys can't do this.
Why would anyone want to?
yeah, but you guys can't do this.
It's really not a good look for you.
I don't care if it's good look or not.
You guys can't hide your gum into your expander while your teacher, when your teacher.
Who did you inherit the tongue curling from if I can't do it and he can't do it? Is it a recessive gene like your blue eyes and your red hair?
Probably. Or maybe I'm just adopted.
LOL, swag.
No, I don't think so.
That's really close on your face there, Mom.
You know what? You're not adopted because there's too many similarities in our strange expressions, and I can never forget the excruciating hell of removing your body from my body.
Don't even complain about Sarah.
32 hours.
The pain was so bad.
Yeah, I came out in the C-section.
Oh.
Does the C-section hurt, or then just like numb your entire lower half?
You don't really feel anything. A C-section, they completely numb you. It feels kind of weird, like tugging, like really strange.
Yeah, I know.
So you're really drugged. Yeah. You're really, really drugged. You're like in a coma except for your head. And they put a sheet over it so you don't see it, so you don't like get grossed out when they cut you open.
My gum has officially lost flavor.
Oh, so much ice. Sarah has gone back. She's gone back to college. And now I'm just gonna just try to relax. I was gonna clean, but feeling like I need to just take a nap. So we'll come back tomorrow when it's Monday. Henry's already snoozing, looking out the window. Daniel's with Ian. I have a nurse until 4 o'clock. So let's just edit this video and yeah, try not to feel sad. I feel sad, but okay. Daniel. Hi, Daniel. It is Sunday night. Yeah, 4:35 something. 4 something. And Daddy's on his way home. He got Sarah to school, so Sarah went back to school, so she's not coming back with Daddy right now. You gonna cheer Mommy up? Huh? You gonna cheer me up? I need to be cheered up. I hate this part. Kind of a mess. I took a nap and then I've been taking down my Christmas stuff finally, and it's like a slow process for me. Every year I say I'm going to be more organized when I put it away, and nah, it's just like grab a bin, stuff it in. That's why it's so hard when I take it out. But you just don't care at this point because it's so depressing. I tried to walk the dog just now, and the entire yard outside is just covered in a sheet of ice. It's like I had to find one little area over to the right over there where the leaves are so he could, you know, go to the bathroom. But this whole area where we usually walk down and around is completely covered in glassy ice. It's a good way to put it. Ours didn't thaw out. I guess some areas got a little warmer, but here it's just sidewalk is a skating rink. Dog's little feet are going. All right. What a day, huh? How dreary is that? Like, not only did my daughter go back to school today, which has made me really, really sad, but it's been the dreariest of days I think that we've had this whole winter so far. Olaf says he's always happy. Find her happy, right? Find her happy. What did that picture say this morning? We were at the diner and the ketchup bottle said, be your own kind of happy or make your own happy. Make your own happy. That's what it said. Working on the Christmas stuff. But, you want to get up and help me? Take some last minute looks at the Christmas tree before I take it apart? Huh? Sarah made Dean's list again. I'm so proud of her. She's what made my whole holiday happy. Because I couldn't have done it by myself. Now I'm alone. Well, no, I'm not alone. I have the boys, but I just miss her. Oh, why is it so hard? You should see how bad I look. Why is it so hard? Why is it so good and so hard at the same time? It's like what you want, but then when you're alone as a mom, you're like, oh, I miss you. Okay. This has been a really depressing day. I love you, Daniel. Come on, let's go. Let's go look at the Christmas tree before I take it apart.